Oh my God, look at that.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Yeah, there you go. Oh. Good puppy. He is. He's like, this is a little friend. This is a little friend. Yep, yep, yep. Go ahead, Flannery. Look at him moseying. Look at his little legs. His back legs are strong now. Where's that little curly tail? Go ahead, Flan. Yep, there you go. Give him. Yes, yes. Oh, the little mouth is opening. Aww. Butter's so good. Oh, how cute is this? Oh, Butter's being so gentle.
Good boy.
Flannery's first play date. Yeah, Butter, you say play with me. Play with me. Oh my God. I know.